Good morning, vegetables and eggs. Inspired by Kanye West. Good morning. Ingredients: 2 large whole eggs or 1 cup of pasteurized egg whites, 1 cup of non-starchy vegetables like spinach, peppers, onions, tomatoes, or chopped broccoli, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, half teaspoon salt, dash of pepper, optional, 1 ounce of low-fat cheddar or Colby cheese. This recipe provides 360 calories, 24 grams of total fat, 31% of the daily value, 5 grams of saturated fat or 25% of your daily value, 0 grams of trans fat, 355 milligrams of cholesterol or 118% of your daily value, 1,540 milligrams of sodium or 67% of your daily value, total carbohydrate 11 grams or 4% of your daily value, 3 grams of dietary fiber or 11% of your daily value, 0 grams of total sugar, 20 grams of protein or 40% of your daily value. This recipe calls for whole eggs and vegetables for a protein-filled meal to keep you full throughout the day. Eggs have received a bad rap in the past. I don't eat my green eggs in hand. However, they are very nutritious and delicious. Eggs provide 6 grams of high-quality protein per serving for mental and physical energy. They are very cost-effective at approximately 17 cents per serving. The yolks provide choline to promote normal cell activity, liver function, and the transport of nutrients throughout the body. It also contains an antioxidant known as lutein, which helps to protect eye health. Add vegetables to your eggs for a healthy, hearty dish. You can add 1 to 2 egg whites and cheese for some additional protein to help keep you full and to support muscle tissue for physical activity or weight loss. The Good Morning Egg White version is a way to cut back on the calories, fat, and cholesterol if you have a history of heart disease or are aiming for weight loss. Both the whole egg and egg whites can fit into a healthy diet, especially in moderation. Alternate between the whole egg and the egg white recipe throughout the week to help meet your protein needs during breakfast. Directions: heat non-stick skillet on medium heat. Heat olive oil simultaneously. Add vegetables and cook for 5 minutes. Add eggs to skillet and scramble. Add salt and pepper to taste and serve.